हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक। वीक बहुत ही अलग डायरेक्शन में मूव किया। बहुत टाइम बाद ऐसा वीक दिखा कि हम वन साइड मूवमेंट ही करते रहे और फाइनली 25,100 के ऊपर क्लोजिंग करी। अच्छा लग रहा है, बट क्या ये चीज आगे कंटिन्यू हो सकती है? क्या नेक्स्ट वीक हम इसी फॉर्मेट में एंटर करेंगे या आ सकती है थोड़ी बहुत प्रॉफिट टेकिंग? टू एन एक्सटेंड ऐसा लग रहा है कि एक कंफ्यूजन है, और जब भी कंफ्यूजन होता है तो हम जाते हैं एक एक के पास।
Good evening. Good evening. How are you, Rachit?
आई एम हैप्पी बट आई एम मोर कंफ्यूज्ड नाउ। वेरी फ्रैंकली अब नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि अब ये जाने कहाँ वाला है।
Right. No, but you're right. I think it's the state with most people, especially because of the closing that we've seen today. Uh, to be honest, I was not expecting the markets to sustain throughout the day. अगर आप इस वीक में देखें तो most days we have seen a sort of sell-off coming in at the later part of the day.
राइट।
आफ्टर 2:30 एक अनवाइंडिंग आती है, एक सेल ऑफ आता है पूरे। अगर आप चार्ट्स देखें तो पूरे वीक वी हैव जस्ट गॉन अप, and even though each time we have gone up and we have seen some part of it getting unwinded towards the end of the day, so that was not seen. That was something different that we witnessed on Friday कि वो नहीं हुआ, in fact वो upper side में sustain हो गया। And speaking of levels, we have come and closed at a level where there are two crucial things. एक तो if you see a 6 week chart, it comes out to a double top level. We were at similar levels about 4 weeks back, around 20th, 21st August. वही 25 150 के अराउंड हम थे, जहां से हमने टर्न अराउंड किया था, एंड देन वी सॉ अ डाउन साइड ऑफ till all the way till 24,400. So that itself is like a 800 point downside over next 2 weeks. Okay, वहां से हम वापस आके इस लेवल पे आ गए, डबल टॉप के लेवल पे, एंड वी हैव एंडेड द वीक ओवर हियर. So that is suggesting that breakouts can happen in any side,
ओके।
on upside, on downside, anywhere. However, what I feel is that the markets need new fuel to go on side. मतलब अगर आप देखें तो जीएसटी जीएसटी को लेके जो 2 वीक से 3 वीक से चल रही है, चर्चा, और जीएसटी का वो सारी न्यूज आ गई है, वो चीजें फैक्टर इन हो गई है प्राइसिंग में, डेट आ गई है, कब से सब कुछ अच्छा होना है ये आ गई है। ये एक्सपेक्टेशन मार्केट ने धीरे धीरे they have come across, they have wrapped their head across around the fact that now this festive demand will push this quarter up. Next quarter is supposed to be up anyway. Quarter 3 is one of the best quarters in the every year. So वो सारी चीजें एक तरह से फैक्टर इन हो रही है मार्केट में, या हो चुकी हैं टू दैट. ओके, नाउ कुछ मतलब आप समझिए कि टैरिफ को लेके कुछ नया आने का कोई उम्मीद अभी है नहीं.
राइट।
टॉक्स आर देयर, statements come, statements are not reliable, statements change within half a day, sometimes within few hours. So anything like that, I think because of this, what markets have kind of attained what I think is a zen mode.
zen
Yeah,
mode, that's
because,
interesting. That
yeah,
would be
yeah, because आपने सुना होगा किसी प्रवचन में, और इसमें साधु महात्मा बोलते हैं कि आदमी को ज्यादा खुश नहीं होना चाहिए, अगर खुशी हो तो ज्यादा खुश नहीं होना चाहिए, अगर दुख हो तो डिप्रेस नहीं होना चाहिए ज्यादा. वैसे ही मार्केट, मतलब अगर जीएसटी का लेके अच्छी न्यूज आ गई है तो ठीक है, थोड़ी सी रैली हो जाएगी, थोड़ा सा करेक्शन हो जाएगा. टैरिफ को लेके कोई नया बवाल खड़ा होगा तो थोड़ा सा डाउनसाइड हो जाएगा, फिर वापस मार्केट ऊपर चला जाएगा. सो इट इज, आई थिंक मार्केट इज गेन दैट काइंड ऑफ मेच्योरिटी, दैट काइंड ऑफ zen मोड कि एनीथिंग हैपेंस, I am not deeply impacted. I will
markets
stay.
are actually behaving like a monk right now. They are not in a mood to move anywhere.
देखिए किसी भी चीज में क्या है, इट इज नॉट गुड टू बी कंप्लीटली क्रेजी. अगर आपको कुछ खुशी का कोई वो आ गया, आप एकदम पागल हो जाओ खुशी में, दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट गुड. एंड एनीथिंग दैट हैपेंस in the negative zone is not the end of the world. You should understand that also.
Right.
So, in that sense, I feel that markets are behaving very, 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 very realistically, very, very stably, which is very good. आप विक्स भी देखे तो विक्स ऑलमोस्ट अब सिंगल डिजिट पे आ गया.
हाँ.
10 का था आज, शायद 10.25 का कुछ ऐसे ही था.
And throughout the week कोई विक्स में मूवमेंट ही नहीं था ऐसा जो देख के लगे कि कुछ हो सकता है.
नहीं था. So there is a clear, there's a clear lack of, which is good. There's a clear lack of panic or fear, or in spite of all the kind of news flow. कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई कभी कुछ आ जाएगा तो a lot of positions are sitting on the fence कि भाई if something comes I'll trigger a sell or buy or whatever. तो ऐसा कुछ situation है नहीं मार्केट.
तो अगर I'm sorry.
Yeah. So अगर ऐसा है नहीं कुछ, तो then we can be certain that the range that we feel, broad range हम अगर पकड़ के चले तो उस रेंज में ही रहेगा. ये मैंने अपने लास्ट टाइम भी बोला था. I give you an example of this range having like a gravitational pull under it. Correct?
Right.
If you remember, any deviation from this range, correct, pendulum. Any deviation from this range, the market is somehow pulled. It's like there is a attractive pull. The market is somehow pulled back. नीचे से ऊपर या ऊपर से नीचे. तो वो रेंज मेरे हिसाब से इंटैक्ट रहेगी. I don't see anything major. अगर आप if you see the daily chart for Thursday and Friday, you will be shocked that the intraday movement of 80 points was there on Nifty. Whole day from lowest to highest, there was only 80-point movement on Thursday and 100-point movement on Friday. That's it.
Right.
तो आप समझ
not really very big to consider or deviate from your ideas.
Also, it's not very big to make beneficially trading positions. Beneficial trading position. मतलब अगर 25,000 का निफ्टी है, 25,100 का निफ्टी है और दिन भर में 80 पॉइंट का ही मूवमेंट होता है, तो मतलब there are no swings, there are no volatility. It is in spite of all the news flow. इतनी uncertainty, मतलब in the sense that news with respect to US trade is completely uncertain right now. Okay, tariffs की मार तो है ही. आप जो बोल रहे हैं कि पूरी दुनिया में जो पॉलिटिकल अनरेस्ट है, फ्रांस हुआ, नेपाल हुआ, जापान, Thailand. So after all of that, we are just acting pretty indifferent. It's like हमें हमारे उस पे चलने का है, बाकी जो होता है होने दो.
Okay, in that case हम अगले हफ्ते कहाँ चलने वाले हैं?
Okay, interesting. Like I told you, ये जो chart है, 6 weeks का chart है, this is suggesting that we have closed the markets, ended this week at a near double top level. Okay. Now, what happens after a double top? There are two ways to look at it. You can be hopeful that double top मारा है तो हो सकता है कि next week अगर for any good thing that happens over the weekend and it gives a gap up on Monday, there is a chance that technically buy zone में चला जाए और sustain कर. Right. That is one scenario. Okay. Secondly, double top मारा है at a level where, again, because it's a double top, there was a lot of stop loss created at that level, and the kind of nifty management that is happening, वो stop loss trigger करा के, it's a very natural thing to reverse the market. So there is a big chance that it might just go down after reaching that 100, 150 levels. So we are literally we have closed the market at such a cusp. हम एक फेंस पे बैठे हुए हैं जिस साइड अब now the movement will depend on the kind of news flow that will come. So अब जिस साइड का न्यूज फ्लो का पकड़ा भारी होगा मार्केट उस तरफ पलटी मार देगा.
Okay, in that case, what are the higher levels that we are looking for if the market goes up, and where can we find the support अगर लुढ़क गया तो?
देखिए सपोर्ट तो मुझे वापस से 24,600 लगता है.
ठीक है. Our own house, our own home for so many months.
मतलब I think in the past 3 months I have maintained 24,600 to be a very strong this thing, and time and again it is proven also.
Right.
मतलब
Right.
each time it has gone below 24,600, it is only a matter of 1 or 2 days that it has pulled up and gone back above 24,600.
Right.
And you know छोटे मोटे झटकों में तो 24,600 टूटा भी नहीं है. मतलब if something drastic comes up and you know then maybe it breaks down below 24,600 for a couple of hundred points, and in no time, you know, just 1 or 2 days it has bounced back up. So I feel 24,600 to be safe kind of this thing. I will rate 24,850 to be first level. If nothing drastic comes, मुझे 24,850 भी सस्टेन करता हुआ दिख रहा है.
अच्छा, as a support we are considering 24,850.
सपोर्ट हम नीचे की बात कर रहे थे, और ऊपर की बात करें ना तो अब हम लाइक आई सेड वी आर एट अ कस्प. तो अगर अब यहाँ से अपसाइड होगी ना तो हम ये लेवल को सपोर्ट मान लेंगे. तो यहाँ से मेरे को फिर 600 पॉइंट दिखता है.
नहीं, बट what resistance are we considering कि वो resistance cross करेगा उसके बाद अपसाइड पे जाएगा?
This level only, Rachit, 25,150, 25,140 to 180 के बीच में जो लेवल है ना, this is very crucial to cross and stay. I'm not saying cross, it can go an intraday. एक intraday 25,200 मार दे, okay? और साथ ही नीचे आ जाए.
Okay.
I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about crossing, closing and maybe maintaining. वहां 2 दिन अगर मेंटेन करें ना तब जाके आप समझ सकते हो कि फ्रेश बाइंग आ सकती है. द ट्रेडर्स विल स्टार्ट कंसिडरिंग 25,150 to 25,200 एज अ सपोर्ट जोन.
ओके.
और फिर यहाँ से 500-600 पॉइंट ऊपर की वो दिखती है. Then I don't see anytime soon markets you know reversing if this is sustained.
Got it. So markets अभी बिल्कुल कस्प पे हैं. वैसे तो zen, I really like the way you put it ना, zen mode पे है. मतलब ना किसी चीज का बहुत गम, ना किसी चीज की बहुत खुशी. And frankly after GST the way markets have reacted, मुझे वो आपका zen mode वाला आइडिया ही सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. और so on the downside again, लौट के बुद्धू घर को आए would be 24,600, and if it maintains on Monday and Tuesday above 25,200, then we are approaching to 25,600 and 25,850. This is the way we should look at it. In that case, do you also suggest that if we have a medium term to short term trading bet at higher levels, we should book profit and wait for the markets to come back again and create positions, or we should create the positions over here if that thing happens and deploy at 25,850 levels?
No, I feel if somebody is to create a long position, this is not the time. This is not the time to create long position. I would rather be comfortable creating a long position above 25,200. Right. You know, where I foresee some room for up movement. Right now we are at a zone where you know there can be a very strong reversal. So I would not risk creating a long position at this level. However, if I am already in the long and I'm sitting on some profit, this is again a point wherein I will consider booking profits.
Got it.
It is, you know, it is whatever said and done, you know, volatility is low and everything, but your profits are profits only when you book them.
Right.
So
Book के
better.
profit का कुछ नहीं है. Notional profit doesn't make sense. If you have your profit in your account, then only it will be making sense.
Absolutely. So I would rather, if I'm sitting on profit, I would rather book profit and maybe wait a couple of days for the markets to decide on what side of 25 150 they want to stand, whether we are under it or we are over 200. एक ये आप समझिए एक नो मैन्स लैंड काइंड ऑफ अ सिचुएशन है यहाँ पे, जहाँ पे आप कोई पोजीशन ना लें तो बेटर है, वो उसके उस पार या इसके इस पार तभी पोजीशन लें.
ठीक है. So got it. So for the week to come, we have a very strong support at 24,600 and decent support at 24,850. For the upside, we have to breach 25,200, 250 levels and spend some decent amount of time. Then only we are heading towards 25,850.
Yeah, correct.
Chaliye, this time we have a wider range to look at, and let's see how the markets pan out, and then hopefully we'll catch up again next week. As always, it was amazing talking and discussing and knowing, and usually we have takeaways. For this week, I think the Zen mode takeaway is something that we always have to remember when the markets are behaving in such kind of manners.
Right.
As always, thank you and have a happy weekend.
Thank you. Happy weekend. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.